I'm fed up, and if you're anything like me, you're probably fed up too. I am super sick and tired of looking for specialty cables when I want to plug in something like this old hard drive. I got to go find this old cable to make it work. I'm over it, can't stand it. I'm on a mission to get rid of everything that does not use the USB-C connector. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If you're anything like me, you are over just tons and tons of special USB cables. And if you remember this connector here, this was that micro that was designed to plug into things like this older Seagate hard drive here, where you could just take this connector and plug it in. And yes, it works, it's fine and dandy, but whenever you need one of these cables, you can never find one. They're kind of a pain in the butt, and I'm just sick of having specialty cables. Now, if you were lucky and you still had some of these guys laying around, which is the micro B, you could plug it into one side like so. And it might or might not work. It really depended on how much power your hard drive needed. Well, again, I'm on a mission to get everything to be USB-C, you know, our standard issue cable that we know and love. And now that all my Apple products are basically at this direction, I don't want to have to look for anything other than just this one cable. And this one is one of the Thunderbolt variety, so it's guaranteed to be strong. I found these bad boys on Amazon, and these right here, seems like these just might be the trick. Let's get you a closer look. Okay, so these are USB 3.2 and 10 gigabits per second, which means they should be fast. And if I pop this open real quick, what you have is an adapter that will take the standard issue USB-C and convert it to one of these old micro D connectors that you needed for things like this hard drive. So now I can plug this baby in, and now you're good to go, and turn it into a standard issue USB-C drive where I can plug in my USB-C cable, and then I'm good to go. This cable is a little heavy for this, so I'd probably use the other side, make it a little bit easier. But now, boom, you got a perfect fit. It just works. It's all connected. And what's cool, you could take this, and it has a little tiny hole here, so you can get some string and attach it to the end of this cable. So if this is a cable that you take with you on the road or something like that, you can use this piece right here to tether it to the cable so that you can just have it, pop it on when you need it, take it off when you don't. But just get a couple of these and attach them to a couple of your cables, or keep them in your tackle box, and then you should be good to go. So, you know, this guy right here will save yourself a lot of headache if you have a bunch of old hard drives like this, because I swear, every time I'm looking for one of these cables, I could never find it, and I'm super over it. You know what I always say, I don't know who need to see this, but if it was you, let me know in the comment section below. And right about now, the algorithm is going to show you another video I think you should watch, and I agree with him.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk.